Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking how to make money thumbnail in Canva. Creating a thumbnail in Canva is really easy, and you can design thumbnails in two ways. The first way is to create a thumbnail from scratch. The second way, which is the best if you don't have much time, is to modify pre-made templates created by professionals and creatives. These look more professional, and you can simply customize them by adding your own details. Then export and download it. So first, go to the Canva site, canva.com, and create your account. After creating your account, this is the interface you will see. Go to the search bar and type Make Money Thumbnail. So if you have a channel or you make videos about how to make money online or similar topics, then this video will be very helpful for you. Creating thumbnails in Canva is very simple, and you don't need a lot of experience in design or creativity. You can just modify pre-made templates. You can see how professional they look, and you can customize whichever you like. Just explore a bit, and when you find one that fits your needs, customize it. For now, here's a free one that looks really good, so maybe I'll go with this. This is a paid one, but don't worry. Just pick a free one and customize it. Whichever template you like, just click on it. There is an option to customize this template, and you'll see other options too. Go to Customize. This one is a Facebook post, but let me find a free one. I'll go with this. Just click on it and go to Customize. Or you can keep exploring here. Maybe I'll go with this one. It looks good, and it's free. You can see how professional it is looking. I'll customize it, and now I can modify whatever I want. To modify the text, click on the text. Here is the option for changing the font. Just select any font you prefer. I'm just showing you, and this is to resize your text. This is to change your color. Changing the color for your text, and then this is bold, italic, underline, strike through, uppercase, lowercase, alignment, list making, line spacing, and letter spacing. You can try these out. Here is the transparency option for the text. If you want to add any effect, you can. There are options if you want to make it curved. There's the option, just remove it right now if you don't want it. You get a lot of effects. For thumbnail, you don't really need animations. Here is the position option. This is for positioning your elements or text. So that's all about text. You can do whatever you like. Now, if you want to add a background, go to Upload if you have your own. Upload it from your computer. After uploading from your computer, it will appear here. For example, this is the background I want to add. I'll just drag it like this, resize it perfectly, and now it's at the front. I will send it to the back like this. Or, if you have already added your background, you can just replace it with something else. Just drag and drop like this. Maybe this one. Or maybe this one like this. You can replace it. If you want to replace this image or any template image with your own, upload it from your computer. For images like this, you need a transparent background image. If you've got the Pro version, you can remove backgrounds directly in Canva. If not, you'll need to go to another site to remove your background, then upload the image again. Once that's done, just replace it similar to the background. Right now it's blurry, but don't worry, I'm just showing a demo. Maybe like this. Or if you want to add this, you can do it the same way. If you want to add an image from the Canva library, then it's here, or maybe Elements. And yeah, you can see this is a paid option, but you can also search for free ones. I'll go with this one for now, and I'll just remove the background and look like this. If I want to add shadow, I'll go to Edit, and here is the shadow option. Maybe this one, or this one, and maybe like this. Yep, this looks good. And yeah, you can modify whatever you like. After you're done with your modifications and design, please check it once so you haven't missed anything. Now, if you're ready to export it, To export, go to this option. You can rename your file here. Then go to the Share option, go to Download. Since it's a YouTube thumbnail, it should be in PNG. Download it, and if you want it in other formats, that's available too. Just download it and upload it to your YouTube video thumbnail. That was simple, easy, and time-saving. Canva is a really good site for beginners, and it's very user-friendly. Within a few weeks, you'll learn all the tools.